Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can notified each and every time I post a video. And if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down in the comment section. I love reading you guys' comments. In today's video, I'll be doing a cut crease. It's a look that I done when I went to an event, but I was in such a rush that I wasn't able to perfect it, and I thought you guys would like it, so I thought I recreated but with a little twist to it. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I achieve that cut crease, please continue watching. And yeah, I'll post a picture of the look that I'm talking about somewhere here. Today I'll be using the Morphe palette. Yeah, my palette is beat. So, and the colors that I'll be using, because I'm going for like a bronzy look, well, I'm not sure yet. These are the colors that I'll be using here. 1, 2, 3. I'll be using these 3 colors and the gold one. I feel like I've used the gold in 2 or 3 of my videos. I'm going in with a translucent powder to set my eyelids because I've already primed them. I'm gonna go in with this shade over here for my crease. With this look, it's really important that you blend and blend. I cannot emphasize that enough. Pack on the transition shade till you're satisfied with it, or you seal the pigmentation on your lids. I'm gonna deepen out the crease even more with this shade over here. As you're deepening the crease, it's important that you start packing it according to the shape that you're gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna go back in with the brush that I originally used to blend in my transition shade, and pick up a little product from a little transition color, and then just blend on top of it. I'm gonna go into this perfect color palette and use this shade. After packing on the darker color, it is important that you blend out all the edges. We don't want any harsh lines. Remember to blend. Okay, then once you're satisfied with how intense it looks, then we can go ahead and cut the crease. You can basically use any concealer that you have. I decided to go with a lighter one, and it's important when you're cutting the crease that you look up so that the concealer can mark where you are supposed to cut the crease, especially if you have hooded eyes. You do not want your shadow transferring onto your upper eyelids. Does that make sense? Take your time when cutting the crease. After you've cut the crease, it's good that you go in and set it with some translucent powder. Then I went in, after I set it with a translucent powder, I went in with a gold shimmer shade. That's what the shade I'm packing on. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Yeah, I later on used my finger because it wasn't as pigmented as I would have liked it, and when I used my finger, the color was popping. I then used my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner to line my lashes. To line my eyes, and I had in the tape. The tape made it so much easier, and it was so clean. Well, on this side, because the other side I struggled a bit. Then I went in with mascara and then I popped on some lashes. I just wish my lashes were a bit wispier. That would have been nice. After popping on my lashes, I went in. No, actually, I did foundation and then I popped on my lashes. I'm doing things back to front. You guys know the routine from here. It's foundation, highlight, powder, blush, and all that jazz. I'm just gonna speed through the rest of it and not talk much because y'all know the drill. If y'all want to see a video on my brows, I'm gonna link it in the cards. And if you guys want to see a foundation routine, please get this video to 10 likes and then I will do a foundation routine for you guys.